But rather than stitch the elastic into a loop, so just have that loose, cut to the length, put that there, sandwich it in. Obviously we just need to stitch that in, but if you find it easier, you can actually leave this out, do the mask as we go, and we take it from there. So I'm going to show you both ways how to do this now, okay? Right, when we're creating the channel on the sewing machine, so we're going to stitch down, so from here all the way down. We're going to change our machine setting from A to B. So what this does is actually move my stitches. So from a center to a offside. From a straight, go down to the side. So make sure you hold on to your 2 thread, drop it down. So you might need to slide reposition. And then do a back stitch. But this is where most of you are asking me the question, how do we finish this end? So what basically we're doing is we're folding this up at an angle and bring this down. So when you're doing your sewing, this is basically one single stitch. So make this into a continuous line. Right, so this is the one. You have it in like this. So while you're still at it, you bring it to an angle, stitch this down. Right, so that's how you complete one other side. Finish that, but insert the elastic and come straight across. So which means one of the side is now fixed. Okay, so when you're doing the next one, you bring all the way around and just fold that in. So this is the side which have to be loose and movable. You got this, and so just bring that back to this. So you have a section here is open. Insert that in, stitch that across. Individually at the moment, but when we're in production, you can do each step in bulk. So that still give you the movement, but this size is basically attached, and it's much easier. So we actually save one step, and that makes it a lot better to wear as well. So I find this is an improvement. You make all your masks like this. So with one end is done, the other end is open. So what happened then, the other end is where you just have your elastic. Either end is still loose, you put that in like this, and you start sewing.
As long as it is loose, it's perfectly fine. Okay?
And once you've done that, so that is now in place, so you can make X amount of them, and when you come back to it, bring this towards the gap and stitch it down. But remember to do about 3 times. So do a reverse and stitch. So that will give you that extra security. Get the other side of the elastic. So when you've done one end and you kind of move, make sure that is in. And then do the other side. So both ends are in, and you still have a adjustable sections. So I think that is a new improved way to put the elastic on. Less fiddly, but equally effective. Okay.